down the road in my life. Well, I'm trying to build people up. I'm trying to armor their mind. I'm trying to get them the belief, because this world we live in is tough. It's tough. It will beat you down. The world and the life that we live in is the ultimate competitor. It will try to take you out. It will find your weakness and it will fucking just hammer you. If I can help you build belief, build confidence to the point where nothing can hurt you because you know exactly who you are. Get back to fucking work. It's time to get back to work. Stop hearing yourself talk. Get off the podcast. Don't be on social media too much. Cut out all the fucking noise. Get back to the fucking mental lab, because that's where the knowledge came from. So for me, I must cap myself so I can come back with fucking better, more unique knowledge versus all that cookie cutter knowledge that's out there. That's why people buy the books I have, because it's not cookie cutter. It's real knowledge. Like, I built Goggins from the ground up. I was born David Goggins. David Goggins wasn't good enough. He was a scared, bullied, abused kid who struggled in life. And that kid, whenever something got tough, no matter how hard I trained, no matter how ready I was, whenever something got tough for me, David Goggins, the real David Goggins, would come out and he would quit. So I realized this over a period of time. So I had to build Goggins. And in that process, I had to go back to that mental lab. And that mental lab is at scratch. That mental lab isn't that trained humility. And so that's where I get better. I get better when I'm digging holes in the ground, when I'm waking up early knowing I don't have to do these things. That's where I get better. You've faced your demons. You've been able to go on an audiobook in your mind. Maybe you didn't write a book, but in your mind, you were able to hear all your past traumas. You were able to listen to them. You're able to fucking say, okay, now I can now talk to people about what I went through. I'm no longer embarrassed. I'm no longer ashamed. Being ashamed is one of the biggest things that kill people nowadays in their minds, kill them from moving forward. I'm ashamed of myself. Don't ever be ashamed of anything you've done in your life. Face it, fix it, make it better. We are humans. But then again, if you always think that we're humans, you will always just be a human and always make the same fucking mistakes. You must take this knowledge that you learn from all this shit is knowledge. So I'm just trying to give people that strength to go in the archives of your life. Because while you're probably fucked up, it's probably something happened to you in your life. Go through the archives, dig it up, study it, and then use it for yourself. That's the main purpose for me right now. I'll think about quitting when shit's hard. But what you have to do in that 1 second is hard to process information during pain, because that pain takes over and you can't think rationally. You're thinking about fight or flight, save yourself. That's not a rational thought. It's not a thought that's going to get you through hard times. Most people fail that 1 second. These are the things you have to think about, the 1 second decision. So that's what that's all about. It's about gaining control of your mind, putting things back in the proper perspective, and then saying, I really do want to be here. And I'm going to have a bunch of these 1 seconds through this 130-hour journey. And I have to learn to control these, because if I fail one of these 1 seconds, I will not be a SEAL. I will not be a doctor. I will not be a lawyer. I will not be whatever the fuck it is. So that's how important that 1 second decision is. It's all about your mind takes control of you. You have to say, fuck you. I run this motherfucker. And that's what that's all about. So a lot of people talk about discipline. Okay, great.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. How are we all doing today? Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, Beyond Limits? What's up, Light? Good morning, man. Yeah, it sucks, Light. Just treat that $280, man, like it's just like it's like your last, man. Just like trade very disciplined, maybe trade micros or something. A plus setup or something. Just try and save it, man. It's all good. It happens. But yeah, guys, we freaking lost our damn... We lost 4 accounts yesterday. Oh, man. Yeah, it's all good, Light. That's why I say not to reset the pro accounts, man. I don't think it's worth it, in my opinion. Like, my accounts I lost yesterday, I'm like, there's no way I'm paying $650 each to reset them. 5 accounts, that's $3,250. That's a lot of money. That's 32 and a half 50k challenges. Yeah, like that's what happens. They like prey on your emotion when you blow account because you're kind of tilted and you're not thinking right, and then you just go on tilt and then reset it right away and trade it, and then you're trading emotionally, especially with the trailing drawdown. So yeah, it's a recipe for disaster. So I reset it a few in 2024, but then I realized like it's not worth it. What's up, Jasmine? Good morning. Yeah, market was moving really quick this morning. Like these were big candles. 50, 60. Yeah, these were big candles. Wait, what the fuck? Bro, this is a 140 point candle. Guys, this was a 140 point candle. That's really fast. What's up, Tommy? Good morning, man. Good morning, good morning. What's up, Tushar? Good morning, everyone. Happy Friday, happy Friday. Kind of forming like a double top right here and kind of falling right back into here. Cherry, cherry lady. Yeah, Jasmine, we had a crazy stream at the end yesterday. That was crazy. We lost 4 soldiers. We still have this 1 soldier. We have $395 left. Guys, I looked back on the stream. We literally had $2 left on this account. $2. One tiny tick, and we would have blown the account. $2. That's a massive swing, guys. That means this soldier is ready to fight. He's ready to go to war. Today might be the day. We're either going to save him or lose him, but I got 5 extra challenges ready to go. We'll do another, what's it called, Max Funded series for you guys. So we got 5 new accounts. But we still have this, because it takes 5 days to pass anyways on these TakeProfitTrader. So it's like, if we save this account and get it to payout, I'll gladly keep it alive. Hopefully and get some payouts and then work on these at the same time. Yeah, I'm not resetting them. It's too expensive. $650 is crazy work. Light, the game plan, hopefully save this one account, this pro account. I mean, we only have $395 left. We did some degenerate shit yesterday. We were very disciplined. But then near the end, well, when we took 3 losses in a row and we only had $200 left, then we did that degenerate shit, kind of. Well, it's kind of like, you're either going to save it or you're not. That's literally it. $200 left, it's not a lot. You're either going to save them or you're not. But the game plan, hopefully save this account again and get a winning day in this, and then maybe work on these challenges for y'all. These will be my dedicated stream accounts as well. Yeah, I'll keep a dedicated stream for you guys. I like doing that. And I like TakeProfitTrader because of the daily payouts, which is nice. But yeah, we don't have a lot to work with, guys. We don't have a lot to work with. But that's the plan. The man with the plan. That's the game plan for today. Great job, Tommy. Yeah, $600. Yeah, save it for next week. Let's go, Tommy. 1,400 on the XFA. Okay, all right. Yeah, I love to hear that. Tommy, how many funded tops do you have? You have 5 still? It's pretty. You're doing pretty well with them. Damn. I want to wait for a pullback short. Fall back down to here, and that's a big gap. This is like 100, guys. This is 100 points right here. This is a 100-point gap right here. So wait for a nice entry to enter on. Then we can get it rolling. Cherry, cherry. Dude, that song's stuck in my head now. Fuck. Cherry, cherry lady. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. But yeah, guys, we got that max funded series going with Lucid and TradeDay. Pretty good, pretty good. Yeah, but guys, we need that cool, calm, discipline, Casey. We can't do that degenerate stuff. Thank you, K-Dream. It means a lot, man. I really appreciate you, man. Good luck with those, bro. Yeah, the Lucid are nice. I like the Lucid. And they had a 50% off promo last night. 2 uses. That was a good... That's a really good deal. 50% off on the evals. Because you can get a flex account for... Let me see how much you can get it. The flex you can get for $65. Is it? I think it's $65 with the 50%. That's really cheap for a 50K funded account, no activation fee. That is cheap. Yeah, $65 no activation for a 50K flex. That is cheap, cheap, cheap. Great job, Tommy. Hey, that 100K, I mean, you got 5,200. I mean, if you make it the payout, that's still a $2,500 payout. Great job, Tommy. Love to hear that, man. Yeah, take the rest of the week off or something and have like a nice weekend, man. And then, yeah, trade the brand new accounts next week, Tommy. Good job, man. What's up, media? What's up, man? What's up, Isaac? Yeah, K-Dream, that's a really good deal, so it makes sense for them to limit it to 2 only. Well, you get the 2 uses for 50% off now. And then you get 5 uses for 40% off, and then the rest is 30% off. So those are really good deals still. The 40%, you get 5 uses. And then, I mean, the 30% is still pretty good. Yeah, $65 is so cheap. For a 50K funded, no activation fee. Because minimum, like, the 50K accounts now are, like, around $100 now. No problem, Tommy. What's up, Prop Trader? You can have 5 accounts with Lucid. You can have 5. You can copy trade them. And yeah, we got 5 flex. 50K flex. I like the flex, guys. The other accounts are good, but like I said in the past, I like the flex, and it's the cheapest. Yeah, coming down here right now. Want to look for entry short, but don't want to just FOMO in, because this count is this is our last soldier, guys. This is our last soldier with the TakeProfitTrader group. So we need a good setup. Good setup. They had outages? Damn, I didn't know that. I wasn't trading at that time. If that's Eastern time, I wasn't trading at that time. Hopefully they fix it. Yeah, Tradeovate's been having a little glitches lately. They had like an outage like a week or 2 ago. No bueno. No bueno. Yeah, I did see that Brian Stock. Fucking dude, Apex sent me an email too from my old accounts where I got that thing, and like he had like violated the rules like thousands of times or something. Apex program integrity. Oh my gosh. See, they don't talk about that. They don't talk about that stuff. Over 1,200 MAE violation alerts were triggered in 7 days. 1,200. 658 MAE pings occurred on January 26 alone. Well, I mean, he was straight breaking all the rules. Was it hedging between gold and silver? Yeah, that's crazy. I mean, he broke all the rules, so. Sorry to hear that, UV. Damn. Yeah, they had that outage. I didn't even know they had one this morning. Yeah, what's going on with Tradovate, guys? I don't know. Let me see. Knock on wood. I mean, it seems to be working okay. Yeah. TopStepX has taken the lead this week. Yeah, with the outages. TopStepX they're going to battle with Tradovate. Well, yeah. What do he run those accounts for like 200-300 grand in profit each on the Apex? That is crazy. Breaking all the rules. Oh man. Yeah, but guys, Fridays are generally more chill on stream. I noticed that less people join on Fridays, which is okay. It's to be expected because it's like the end of the week. People are going out. They're done trading. Fridays are more chill, low key. But we catch good trades on Fridays. I'm still here with you guys. I'll gladly stream for you guys. Yeah, Tommy, didn't they ban him as an affiliate as well? Tommy? I think they banned him as an affiliate. It said in the email, like they're terminating because it's like they're promoting bad trading behavior, and Apex was like, we don't treat anyone differently. Like you cannot do that. I mean, yeah, if you broke every single rule in the book numerous times, I mean, what else do you want them to do? You literally broke all the rules. It's their house, their rules. Now, if you followed all the rules and everything was legit, then that's a different story. But if you broke every single rule in the book multiple times, alright, buddy, come on. Back to the gulag. Back to the gulag. What's up, AD Trades? What's up, brother? No long right now. Yeah, Tommy, I think he's already a millionaire, so he made a crap ton off his affiliate codes. And Apex most likely, I don't know if it's true, but they most likely paid him out the last of his affiliates and then banned him or whatever. That's generally how most affiliate terminations go. They'll pay you whatever you earned and then you're done. You're cut off. Just so there's no backlash. We're like, oh, you didn't pay me. It's a scam. Yeah, because I think he got like, what, 600 grand in payouts with Apex alone as well? Not including the affiliates. He obviously blew a lot of accounts, but he is well in the green, 6 figures. Come on, let's be real. I'll gladly blow 1,000 accounts to get 600 grand in payouts and net like 500 grand profit. I'll gladly do that. I obviously don't want to blow that many accounts, but if you're profiting 6 figures like that, 500,000 or something, you know, it's still a profit. Hey, I'm not a gambler, but payouts are payouts. Breaking every single rule in the book. Hey, I'm a good trader, but payouts are payouts. Yep. Farah, apparently Brian Stock, apparently he ran up a bunch of Apex accounts for like 200-300 grand in profit, but he broke like so many rules. Apex sent out the email to everyone last night. I even got the damn email from my old account.
Order filled.
Well, that's quiet. Alright, we're in a short right here. That was quiet. Too quiet. Looking for a push down to here. There we are. Alright guys, this is our last and final soldier, so we're in a short right here. We started with 395 bucks left. I'm going for a short, looking for a nice gap to the downside right here. This is a nice big gap, continuation short. I wanted to look for a short up here, but I wasn't finding any entries, so I'm just waiting on a pullback to enter short, basically. They enter a little late, but it could still work out and go in our favor. And if we break this is a nice gap to the downside. This is like almost 100 points. And if we break this to the downside again, to the lows, this is another massive gap to the downside. This is like 200 points just in this gap. So this is like 250, 300 points could potentially work out. It was moving really fast today, so if it wants to rip, we can let it rip. We're at 20 points. Supreme Court shut down the Trump tariff. Damn. I don't know anything about politics and all that shit. Sam Liu, he apparently broke all the rules to get the account balances. Like, this is all allegedly. I don't know everything. I don't really know him. I don't really know Brian. I don't really know him. I know he's like a YouTuber and does the trading, and he's a pretty good trader, but apparently he broke like a lot of rules to get that massive account balance, but he never said that. And then Apex was like, and then people were like, oh, I don't know if they're gonna pay you out that like what $3-5 million or whatever, like millions of dollars. We don't know. But then Apex came out last night sending the email saying, allegedly they broke numerous rules, numerous times, like over 1,000 MAE pings. Or I knew 5-minute right here, multiple times. So, I mean, if you break all the rules, I mean.
Order filled.
Alright, trim 2 micros right there. We got 5 left.
Order filled.
I'm just gonna do a quick lockout because, guys, we only had $400 left in the account, so a $300 gain is a lot. That's a lot to work with extra. Because now, yeah, I mean, $300. That's almost double the account balance right there. So that was a nice quick scalp. Yeah, we cannot let this soldier die, guys. This is our last and final soldier. He's the last from the original group. I'm telling y'all, man, if we save this account and get him to pay out, I'll be so freaking happy. I'll be so happy. We're only $1,300 away, guys. We could save him. We could literally save him. Farah, I did watch his video, but hopefully he gets paid out. Apparently he did it all live and all legit, and he didn't break the rules. So if he did, that'd be freaking awesome if he got $1 million payout. Congratulations. That was fucking sick. Yeah, I saw that video. So hopefully he gets his payout, man. And hopefully he didn't break any of the big rules and all that. Yeah, because he's also waiting for a big payout, like $1 million, which is a lot. It's a lot of money. It's a lot of, that's life-changing money, guys. $1 million. Million buckaronis. Michael, yeah, we got 5 challenges brand new. I'll make them like my stream accounts as well, so I'll trade like every single account on stream for you guys. And then we still have this one last soldier alive, so we're keeping him alive. He refuses to die, guys. So we're gonna try and save him. But like, I'll keep these, like, I'll work on these challenges for you guys as well. Get him rocking and rolling. What's up, Grizz? Yeah, we just took one quick short. Yeah, nice quick short. For like 20 points or something. $300. Well, Sanlu, he did it like last month. Like he did all that last month during the silver run. Like silver ran massively last month in January, and I think that's when he started doing all that. But I don't know. I don't know if this is all alleged. You know, I don't know allegedly. I don't know if I don't know him really. I don't know all the backstory. I never talked to him, but like all the other payouts last year, I'm pretty sure he did them okay. I guess I don't know. But apparently he got like 600K in payouts or something in the previous years total. It's on the Apex email. They didn't name the person, but we all know who it is. It's all over X, Twitter. Yeah, Michael, we still have one. We still have one funded account left. Yeah, I'm waiting for a pullback to enter short again. We're not just gonna FOMO in. Yeah, Apex, yeah, they're cheap, but yeah, they have a lot of rules and trailing drawdown. But the takeaway with Apex is 20 accounts, in my opinion. That's why I say if you're trading less than 10 accounts with them, in my opinion, I don't think it's worth it. I'd rather get like 10, 20 with them. Ideally 20. Because that's where you get the leverage. Because on a 50K account, you get one max payout, that's 40 grand. 2 grand each account. That's a lot of money. But like other firms, I'd rather go to the other firms for like if you're trading like 5, 10. Because you could have 5 TakeProfitTrader, 5 Tradeify, 5 Lucid, 5 MyFundedFutures 50Ks. Right on, internet. What's up, brother? What's up, Gabriel? I haven't seen you in a minute, man. How you been, man? Glad you're back on the streams, Gabriel. Doing good, doing good. Yeah, there's always news and stuff going on with them. Dookie allegedly Brian stocks on X. That's what everyone's saying. But like I said, I don't know the whole backstory, but I think everyone knows it's him. Allegedly. I don't know. Yeah, because he was posting on X, like, the accounts had like what $200,000 or $300,000 in profit each, which is crazy. I'm just focusing on other firms, honestly. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe, because I ran pretty good with them. Good job, Gabriel. Get them out of drawdown, man. Good job, man. Yeah, this was a nice range short. This is a very nice range short. So good shorts on that, Gabriel. Good job, man. Active, he allegedly ran up a bunch of accounts, made like a bunch of money, like 200-300 grand each or something, like a lot of profit. But he broke like all the rules and numerous rules like multiple times to get that that account balances. They sent it out in the email. They sent me an email yesterday. It says what was not shown. Over 1,200 MAE violation alerts were triggered in 7 days. 658 were triggered on January 26 alone. Positions were repeatedly held 70 to 90% beyond MAE thresholds. Hedging between gold and silver occurred on January 23rd. 31 additional PA accounts were blown. 47 total PA accounts were blown in January. Like, just kind of going for like those big giant gains, and like if these accounts blow, it's like whatever, kind of, and breaking all the rules. And that was like what was apparently not shown. I don't know. I don't think they're gonna pay him out. No, because he broke every single rule, and I think they terminated him as an affiliate. Apparently, they said in the email because he was like promoting like bad trading practices and all that, which is not allowed. That's what they're allegedly saying. What's up, Gato? What's up, Gato? Yeah, pretty much gambling, trading a big size on the metal, silver, breaking all the rules. Break all the rules and kind of like try to flip or something to try and get the payout. But Apex changed their dashboard or whatever apparently, so you can't do that. Or you can't like request a payout, deny it, and then flip for 8 days. They changed it now or something apparently. What's up, Carbo Knight? Yeah, this soldier is still, guys. This soldier is still in the fight. If you guys missed yesterday's stream, we lost 4 to 5 funded accounts. We went on like a 7 out of the last 8 trading days. We lost 7 days, which sucks. And then yesterday, I took 3 losses, and we only had $200 left in the accounts. And we were like, all right, well, we don't have much to work with here. So we traded them each individually at that point and stopped copy trading them. And this is our last survivor. This is best for last. He's going for all the glory. Guys, literally on stream, you can check the Discord and my Instagram on my story. Yeah, follow me guys on Instagram. I'm being more active on there. casinatortrades. We literally had $2 left in drawdown. $2. You can see it on the live in the picture. And then it ran up to like break even and small profit, like 10 points, and I got out. Massive swing with this guy. He's got $700 left. Yeah. Yeah, it's okay. I'm not tripping about the accounts, honestly. We it sucks blowing them. We had a good run with them, but yeah, it's fine. We got a new set of 5 right here, so we can make this our dedicated stream accounts as well. But I want to save this soldier, guys. I want to get this soldier to pay out. Vivian, yeah, that was an epic stream. That was a crazy stream, yeah. At the end was crazy work. Yeah, it's all good, Bearish. But at least you made 7K on it. Yeah, yesterday a lot of people lost. I was really surprised. I was like on Instagram and like X, and then people were like YouTube. So many people lost yesterday. Not a lot of people won, and if they did, it's like, damn, congratulations. A lot of people got caught in the chop. Yeah, I lost 4 funded yesterday. It was crazy. Should have stopped after the second loss. But we can't dwell on it. We still got 1 soldier, guys. We still got 1 soldier. And he's got $700 left to work with. Let's go. Alright, well, let's see if there's just like a pullback and continue short again, or is this like forming a reversal right here. So I'm going to be a little cautious. We caught a nice short to the downside right there. Yeah, but we got to be cautious of a reversal. Kind of forming the bottom right here. Making a higher low and breaking levels up. So going to be a little cautious right here. Yeah, Kadrian, yeah, a lot of people lost yesterday. A lot of fundeds as well. It was, yeah, not a good day to trade. It happens, man. And it happened to a lot of people. Including myself. But it's just recognizing on those days, like, alright, I shouldn't be trading this stuff. And just call it a day. Good morning, Brian. What's up, man?
Order filled.
Alright, we're going to try and look for a reversal long right here. To the upside. Michael, yeah, greed is hard to overcome. It just takes time, and it takes me a long time. I'm still working on it. Like, realizing small numbers add up. Like, small numbers do add up, guys. Yeah, Brian. Yeah, a lot of people lost their fundage yesterday. Yeah, very rough day yesterday, guys. Very rough day. Yeah, Gabriel. Yeah, call it a day, man. But yeah, looking for like a reversal right here. Yes, sir, Brian. Hopefully we get that, save this account. That would be freaking awesome. I would be so happy. If we save this account to pay out, I'll be ecstatic. Yeah, looking for like a reversal right here. Kind of forming a bottom and breaking levels up. But we're going to need to continue. I don't want just to be like a pullback and then yeet hard and reject down again and make a new low. Because right now it's kind of forming a range, kind of. You guys see it? It's kind of forming a range. So we're kind of playing the range. We're buying the bottom right here, looking for a push up to the highs. And I mean, guys, this is a big, massive gap. I mean, this is like 200 points to the top. And we formed like a double top right here and rejected. We took a nice short. What's up, Timmy? What's up, man? Yeah, it is hard when you need payouts light. That's when it like all the pressure kicks in and all that, and it's like more stressful. All right, nice. 25 points. Let's see this break right here. See a nice break. We're at 30 points. Very nice. We're gonna move our stop loss to break even. This is a nice gap. I really like this break. I really like this break.
Order filled.
We're going to trim 2 micros right there, lock in some gains. Gotta be cautious of a pullback. We got our stop loss at break even now. Nice sweep. Nice push up. At our peak, we're up 35 points. Coming back here, not liking that. I just want to see a nice clean breakout and keep ripping. Alright, new 5-minute right here. Nice break right there. Nice break. See a nice continuation. Still forming a staircasing pattern up. I like that for longs. We just gotta break and continue long. We gotta break this again. Go, NQ. Go, go. Nah, I should have trimmed right there. Fuck.
Order filled.
Alright, okay, nice. I'm just gonna lock in it. It's hesitating way too much right there. So, another nice quick $300. So we took 2 trades today. Nice $330 trade to the downside and nice $330 scalp to the upside right there. So, I mean, these scalps add up pretty quick. Even though they're small trades, they add up pretty quick. That was a nice quick scalp. Because right now, I would rather keep holding it because that would be a nice break to the upside right here. But it's hesitating way too much right there, and I don't like that. So that was a nice trade right there. Yeah, good lockout. Yeah, guys, this is the last soldier. Okay, good thing we got out because we would have got stopped out right there. So that was a good lockout. And guys, we could always re-enter. I've been noticing we've been seeing like a big move and then a pullback. So we gotta be cautious about the pullbacks. And we enter on the pullbacks. Hey, what's up, Brian? Yeah, don't trade till next week, man. Take the rest of the week off. Have a nice weekend. And yeah, relax, man. Thank you, Brian. Thank you, Internet. Yep. Yeah, guys, Lucid has 50% off code casinator 2 uses. That's a really good deal, honestly. The Flex accounts, you get it for like $65. That's really cheap. Yeah. Yeah, Michael. Yeah, yeah. Well, Apex likes like consistent, disciplined, good trading in the funded accounts. let's be honest, they want you to gamble the damn evals. Obviously, they don't give two shits. But on the funded accounts, they want like consistent, disciplined, smart trading approach. So that's why like they preach like consistent base hit trading kind of. Yeah. Bearish? I didn't know they had beef together. I thought they were best friends. I don't know a whole much about them. I know they're big traders. I know Lanto got like $1 million of payouts. I know Brian got a lot of payouts. But I thought they were like best friends, so I don't know the beef. Where's the beef? Brian, we're just trading this one account individually. This is our last soldier. And then these accounts are brand new. We got 5 brand new ready to go. I'll have these as the stream accounts as well. So these are dedicated stream accounts. So every trade will be on stream for these accounts as well. TakeProfitTrader. And then we got this one last soldier. So right now we're kind of trading him and trying to make him survive and get him to pay out. Yeah, thank you guys. Thank you. But yeah, guys, if we get this account to pay out, I'll be ecstatic. I'll be mesmerized. I'd be perplexed, if you will. The freaking rich person laugh. The Chad. What up, Chad? Let's go, Josh. Good job, man. Josh, is that a 150K account? No, yeah, we could see another nice gap up. That's why I took a long right there looking for a reversal, and this is a big gap. This is like 100, 200 points right here into the upside. Same thing for the downside. We're kind of right in the middle right now from the high and the low, but right here kind of formed a range. So this is like kind of like the bottom part of the range, and this is kind of the top. But there is a big gap to the downside right here. This is like almost 200 points right here to the low of the day. And we started there this morning. So just gotta be a little cautious. We're kind of right in the middle, honestly. That's why we're being a little more cautious. Bearish. 2025 I thought was really bad, honestly, for me personally. Like during the tariffs and all that. I think that was probably the worst for me. Yeah, I lost a lot of accounts during the tariff shit. But this range stuff you could trade. You just gotta play off the range. Gotta be smart with it. Or I want to see if it wants to break up and continue long. Or it wants to reject here again.
Order filled.
Alright, we're gonna go for a short right here. We're gonna have a stop right here. It looks like it's trying to reject here again. And we're gonna risk the profits. We got 10 micros on this account. But if it does break out of here, I do like break up back up here. I do not want to be in it. Because this is a nice 40-45 point trade just to here. And if it breaks that and goes lower, that's a massive gap to the downside. Nice, 10 points. Cherry, cherry lady, take me to the hotel. That song's stuck in my head now. Oh yeah, you guys like that YouTube short last night? Cherry, cherry lady. She was like, Giga Chat Casinator with the Top Step certificate in the hat. All right, guys, we gotta focus. We gotta focus. We got the Top Step hat on, guys. Guys, certified funded trader. You guys see this hat? This is the 5K payout club hat. Whoa, yeah. This is the pin. The 5K. I got a nice note too. It was actually cool getting this in the mail, honestly. It took a few months, but when it got in the mail, like I got it, I was like, wow, this is actually kind of cool. Champions. Are you with me, champions? Top Step certified trader. Yeah. We got the damn Top Step Michael Patok hat. No free promos here. No free promo. I want to see a reject. Don't like how it popped up right there. We gotta focus. Whoa.
Order filled. Order filled.
Whoa, that was a quick drop. Like, I obviously love it when it drops quickly like that in my favor, but also at the same time, it kind of scares me. So, because it could do like aggressive pullbacks at the same time. That was like a very fast drop. That was a 30-point drop. I mean, we locked in $200 off that trims. Off those 2 trims, guys, we locked in $200. That's pretty good. Yeah, that's really good. Yeah, those aggressive moves in your favor, they're nice. I'm not complaining, obviously. But I'm scared of those massive pullbacks. Because, look, we just got bought up right there. Like, nothing happened. That's why on those big rips down, I like to trim. Ripski down, brother. Ripski down. Active, this is my job right now. This and YouTube. Trading in YouTube. When I first started trading, I was doing my shoe business full time. I was making good money with that. But the damn shoe business went downhill. Alright, we got a new 5 minute and 15 seconds. No free promos for you, Top Step. Take off the hat now. Bro, I should be getting like a TakeProfitTrader hat or something. I honestly don't think they know about me, honestly. Because I see other YouTubers with the TakeProfitTrader merch. Like the hats and hoodies and shit. Alright, there's a new 5 minute. We've been in this trade for a little minute. Nah.
Order filled.
I'm gonna get out of there. Even though we got out at a loss, but we trimmed on the way down right there, we still profited like $80, $100 on that trade. So not bad. See, I did not want to get a break. We would have hit a full stop loss right there. So that was a nice get out. I don't like that, how it got out. So we still, even though we took a loss on that, we still profited on that trim. $80. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, it looks like it's coming right back in the range right here. Yeah, that was a good get out. We would have hit a full stop right there. Gothwood, yeah, you can make a lot of money trading micros, and I like it because you could trim. People be sleeping on micros, and some YouTubers and bigger traders like, oh, if you trade micros, you're not a real trader. I'm like, it's all bullshit, guys. Don't listen to them. You can make a lot of money trading micros. And what I like, because imagine I was trading 1 mini, right? I would have to get fully in and fully out. Pause. But you know what I'm saying? Like, I can't trim. So I can't let my winners run. And this is 10 micros. And for TakeProfitTrader, it's the same commission fees. Like for a round trip on 1 micro is 50 cents, and a full round trip for 1 mini on TakeProfitTrader is $5. So it literally equals out to the same. So it's like, why not trade micros? Trump is speaking? Probably is. Prop trader, I just use like, yeah, the buy and sell orders, my stops. Yeah, just as soon as I enter the trade, set the stop loss manually. Let's go, Chez. Green on 5, and you want a free account? That's a good Friday, man. Lock it in. K-Dream, it's just by like points in the contracts. So let's say I entered that trade right there, for example. Let's say I go long. Let's say I go long right here at 24,910. I know if I have a 10-point stop loss right here, I know if I have a 10-point stop, I'm risking $200. It's just kind of like quick math like that, how I do it. Because, yeah, they don't have that dragging down like P&L. Ooh, do not want to have an active order right there. So, yeah. Let's go, Christian. Good job, man. Glad to see you guys winning, man. Let's go. Love to hear that. Exactly, Goth Boy. Yeah. You getting paid? That's all that matters. And you're trading micros. Guys, there's nothing wrong with trading micros. Micros are awesome. And it's nice. You could scale in better. You could scale in more. Yeah, well, $80 is $80. Like, even though we trimmed on the way down and then we got out a small loss, we still profited $80. So yeah, that's a win. That's a win, guys. That's a win. And it's a good lockout because if we stayed in that trade and it hit our stop, we would have ended up down on that trade. So that was a good trade, yeah. So we took a nice short, like $330, and then we took a nice long, $340, and then that one short right here, like $80. So this this champion is alive, guys. That cat hair or something. Yeah, prop trader. Yeah, I like micros now. It's pretty nice. Pretty much the only time I'll trade minis now. If I'm trading like a bigger account, like maybe like 150k maybe. But then again, you can still scale in micros, which is nice. So, micros for the win. Michael, is that a song? Is that a song? I think I know that song. I don't know. Yeah, micros are slept on. Yeah, especially on the smaller accounts, guys. Like a 25, 50k account, you realistically shouldn't be trading minis. Yeah, on a 50k, like one mini, like even if you're trading one mini, you can literally have 10 micros and you could trim, add in better. We were trading one mini at the beginning. We did pretty well on it, but like I said, same thing, 10 micros. Like I couldn't have trimmed right there. I would have to fully get in and out. Adrian, I don't think they do. I don't think they have one. I'm not sure, but I'm pretty sure they don't. I know TopStep does. TakeProfitTrader does. I think MyFundedFutures on the 50k account does, I'm sure. 25? I'm not sure about the bigger accounts on MyFundedFutures. Yeah, absolutely. You can take partials better with micros. Because if you're to trim on the minis, you have to get like full out, full in one mini or something, right? With the micros, you could trim 1 micro, 2 micros, 3 micros, 4 micros, 5 micros, 10 micros. You know, you guys get the point. You could trim it a lot better. You could scale in better. You could add in 1 micro, 2 micros. Yeah, forming a nice bullish upside right here back into this area. So, looks like we're pushing back long to the upside. And this is a big gap. This is 150 points to the upside. Yeah, you can scale in and or out better. You can do both. Because even if you trade like 2 minis and you scale in one, your average in is a lot. Because that's half the position. Watch live. Trump responds to Supreme Court tariffs decision. Coming up live. Oh boy. I think Trump is speaking soon, yeah? So we gotta be a little cautious if he's speaking soon. You guys know what time he's speaking? Because I don't... How do you guys find out this stuff? Ah, 9:45 a.m. Never mind. Never mind. I didn't realize I was on Forex Factory. Yeah, Gabriel, I wish his price action was like that yesterday. Like, this is a good range to play off of. This is a big range, and we could play off it. Like, guys, when you play the ranges, some ranges are really good, and some are just, like, straight dog crap, and you should stay out. Like, yesterday, should have stayed out. Really bad. But this is a good range. This is a big range. What's up, Anas? Good morning. Good morning. Yeah, we have a lot better day today than yesterday. Whoa, that was a big, quick drop. Oh, Meeks, yeah. Yeah, that was a funny ass. Yeah, you guys gotta watch my last YouTube short. My last one. That was freaking hilarious. I was laughing so hard making that one. The girls were like, oh my god, look at him. Oh my gosh. It's Giga Chad with a Top Step certificate. Playing Cherry Lady. Cherry Lady. I would play it on here and show you guys, but I would get copyrighted. I would get copyrighted hard. Maybe we can play it, but no sound. Actually, no. We'd still get fucked. Yeah, you guys can watch my last YouTube short. That was pretty funny. Yeah, Gabriel. I like making those videos. They're pretty funny. Yeah, I like making funny videos. It's good to make people laugh, man. And it's fun making them. You know what's funny? Some people will also watch that and get offended. They're like, oh, he just has a Top Step certificate. I'm like, shut up, dude. Get a sense of humor, buddy. Literally learn to live life and laugh and have learn to realize it's just a funny little joke. Relax. Some people will get offended by that shit. Oh my gosh. You guys see that? You guys see that? All right. Maybe Trump is on the mic. Mr. Trump, where are you, Mr. Trump? Yeah, that was hilarious. Yeah, Gabriel. Yeah, everyone feels like that. They're like, yeah, that's me. You look at me. Yep. Top Step certified, buddy. Yeah, Meeks. Yeah. We're all like doing the Giga Chads and on our way to the come up. Hey, Trump goes on the mic. Good morning, everyone. Boom! Skyrockets. NQ hits all-time highs. Hey, buddy. You're not that guy, buddy. Hey, relax. Come on. It's just a joke, buddy. Get a sense of humor, buddy. Come on. PTG, I think it depends on the firm, but I think you should be fine. I'm not sure, PTG, but just to be clarified, I would check with the firm. But I think you should be good. But I don't know for sure. So I would definitely double check that. Come on. You want to be on the camera. King Poncho the third. No, King Poncho the first. Oh yeah, look at this. He likes laying right here. He's my trading buddy. He has his own little section. Yeah, we got a new hour and 3 minutes, so, and also the fact that Trump is about to speak or whatever, we're gonna stay cash for a little bit. We want to see what happens, because that was just a very quick sell-off. And I would be looking for a long, so maybe reasons to stay cash at the moment. I'll still trade for you guys. Don't worry. Do not worry, guys. All you guys fiending for a little dopamine trade, do not worry. We will trade still. Let the cat trade. Yeah, we've been seeing a lot of fake outs. Very interesting. Yeah, the cat has to choose her fate. A meow once for a long, meow twice for a short. Meow 3 times for a treat. He's gonna meow 3 times. Lavish, I'm just waking up at that time, so I don't really like trading when I just wake up. I kind of like this time better. And I like it better for the streams. There's nothing wrong with market open, though. A lot of people trade it. I used to trade it for a little bit. But recently, I kind of like this time better. Peace out, Isaac. Thank you for tuning in, as always, brother. I really appreciate you. Have a great week. Have a great weekend, man. Have a great day. Yep. Yep. Today is Friday, Michael. That is right. It is Friday. Wait, that means I can't trade tomorrow. Oh my gosh. I can't trade tomorrow, guys. I can't trade. What am I going to do? Hey, buys a Tradeify crypto account so you can trade 24/7. All right, buddy. Hey, relax. Take the weekend off, man. We don't need to be going full degen. Trading is your life all the time, right? Take the weekend off, buddy. You know there's people that are buying those crypto accounts and then fully trading on the weekends as well. It's like, buddy, just take the weekend off, man. Can come back refreshed next week. Yeah, 4 times for a full port. That is true. Gotta be cautious about that 4th meow. Thank you, Gabriel. Dude, I'll be honest, I haven't ran in like 2 weeks. I actually have to do a run today. I have to do a run. I've been slacking on the runs, but I've been going to the gym consistently, which is nice. Thank you, Gabriel. Yeah, we've been going to the gym, lifting weights, and doing the walking. But I definitely need to go on a run. I'll be honest, I haven't ran in like 2 weeks. I've been slacking on that. I used to do like minimum like a 2-mile run minimum once a week. But yeah, but at least we're still lifting weights. It's still some type of activity. Alright, this is the hour candle. New 5 minute, new 1 minute, new 5 second, new 1 second, new 15 minute. This is all the candles. Yeah, Tommy. Yeah, I like this time better, honestly. And I tried doing it a little earlier. I wasn't really too big of a fan of it. Maybe in the future we'll start the streams a little earlier again. But for right now, I like this time schedule. I stream for like 2.5 hours. I'm awake. I got some like water, coffee, food. You know, right now I'm fasting. It's Good Friday, guys. So I'm fasting right now. And I fasted on Wednesday. Pretty nice. I used to do intermittent fasting all the time. Where I would literally have my first meal after the gym at like 3-4 p.m. That would be like my first meal. And I actually did pretty well on it. But recently I've been getting like hangry and impatient when I don't eat. So, when I don't eat and I don't have any water or coffee, oh man, I am hangry. If I get water and coffee, I'm fine. But if I get food, then I'm a little more fine. Just like a little snack. Hey, buddy, relax. You're not that guy, pal. Hey, trust me, you're not that guy. Yeah, Moultrie, they're doing good, man. They're doing good. The challenges. We got a new series, the max, getting max allocation, max fund with Lucid Flex, 3 trade day, 50K accounts. Yeah, I like that series. And it looks like we're probably gonna have to make a new series for you guys with the TakeProfitTrader. Yeah, we'll do these all live again. I'll do this one completely live for you guys as well. Yep, V shape. Yep. We gotta catch the V to the upside for victory. Victory is ours. We could catch that V shape. Look, it's forming that V. Look, Going down, going up. V to the upside, full take profit, get the payout. Good Friday. Hey, good job, Gabriel. I mean, at least you're still running. Running is a great exercise. Like, you get in really good shape running, man. So, good job on that, Gabriel. Yeah, like a mix of both. Like lifting and running. Oh, man. And eating healthy. Also, guys, remember diet. Eating healthy, too. Oh, man. Like, I hate running during the moment when I'm actually running. I don't like it. But, like, after, like, I'm done, I feel good. I'm like, I just did that shit. So it sucks during the moment, but you feel really good after, and it's good for you. And I want to be like that, like athlete body build, like kind of like fit and like can run and like not get gassed out. Like I don't want to be like a stocky bodybuilder that can't even touch my back or something. I want to be like kind of like an athlete style, like be like lean and fit, but like really strong and also do like good cardio. So that's what we tried doing the runs. But I gotta do a damn run. I haven't ran in 2 weeks. That's on me. Accountability. Guys, we gotta take accountability for ourselves. That's how you grow and learn. If you say, "Oh, I didn't run because the guy over there told me not to, and running is bad for your gains," or okay, buddy, come on, come on, come on. Yeah, Kadrian, yeah, Red Bull event, nice, man. Be a nice weekend. Goth boy, good job, man. Yeah, your body is a temple, man. Whatever you feed your body is what you are. You are what you eat, guys. Yeah, should I go then to the gym, guys? Should I get like a shirt, like a plain shirt, and print on my Top Step certificate on it? And everywhere I go, I'm like, yeah, certified funded trader. Yeah, max allocation with Top Step. You can check my LinkedIn profile. Here's my business card. Everywhere I go, use code Casinator, buddy. Everywhere I go, I have the Top Step certificate on my shirt. Oh, dude, imagine we got like on the Honda Fit. Imagine on the Honda Fit, we take the freaking certificate to the sides. Man, oh my, dude, everyone's gonna be like, oh my gosh, look at him. Oh, you see him in his Honda Fit Top Step certificate? Oh my gosh. And I pull out in the hat. Yeah. Yeah, I'm that guy. I'm kind of a big deal here, guys. Kind of a big deal. Oh, man. Steve, trade high. Your accounts are going to go really high or really low. Probably no in between when you trade high. Yeah, you gotta imagine someone's chasing you, man. Yeah. Survival of the fittest. Ivan, yeah, man. I mean, it's an investment, so good job. You're working and grinding on that. So good job, man. DoorDash, get some extra cash in, side hustle. Good job, Ivan. Oh yeah, swimming is really good. I used to go to my gym, dude. My other gym had a sauna, a steam room, a jacuzzi, and a swimming pool, and they freaking closed down like 3-4 years ago. Man, I was going there like all the time. Because they had lifting, they had the weights section. They even had basketball courts. I didn't even play basketball. But they had the weights and cardio. So I would lift weights and do some cardio. And then go right to the sauna and steam room. And then on my rest days, I would like swim in jacuzzi and the sauna. And they closed down. I'm like, oh my gosh. My gym right now has none of that. It's just, I'm still happy with it. It's a cool gym. It's a small gym. It just has the weights and cardio. But I still get a really good workout in, so I'm pretty happy with it. Yeah, guys, they said, "Oh, awesome, Casey. Your bank account and your car payment is approved. We just need some type of, some type of form of proof of income. Proof of income. Yeah, you guys gotta do this. You hear that? You hear that? That's my proof of income right here. Top Step certified. The bank teller's like, oh my gosh, I gotta send this to corporate. We gotta get him immediately escalated. Oh my gosh, is that a? Hey, you pull it out the bank, And she's like, oh my gosh, right? Yep. Yep. Top Step certified. And she's like, oh my gosh. Can I have your number? Oh man. Yeah, 150K funded trader right here. She's like, oh my goodness. Is that a Top Step certificate? Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, I'm that guy. I'm kind of a big deal here. Yeah. We just need a proof of income. You pull out a Top Step. You pull out the briefcase, and inside of the briefcase is a Top Step certificate. Oh my god. Oh yeah. Yeah, also on my license plate, like the rim is like Top Step certified. You know, on the license plate, like the trim? Yeah, on the trim. Top Step certified. Oh yeah. The cop pulls you over, and you pull out the glove box. Do you know who I am? He's like, ooh, sorry, sir. Sorry. Please go on your way. I'm sorry I pulled you over. Yeah, thank you. My certificate right here. Oh, man. I like how we're all just making this like a joke meme with the Top Step certificate. Oh, man. No, guys, but in all seriousness, if you're getting like a funded account, great job, man. It's a big achievement. But it shows those guys that like they sell the courses and shit, and they're like, yeah, Top Step certified, 750K certified funded trader in their bio. You're like, whoa. Oh man, Greek yogurt with like a scoop of. Oh, I had the Greek yogurt. It's like 90 calories. I think with like 15 grams of protein. And I'll have that with like a protein shake. So it's 45 grams of protein, guys, and 250 calories. No sugar added. So that's a good post-workout snack. Oh man. 250 calories and 445 grams of protein is actually really good. No sugar added. Guys, we gotta get that no sugar stuff. Dude, it's kind of rejecting right here. Oh, yes. Hey, they got Trump. They got the podium on picture right here. He hasn't walked up yet. But they got it on the podium looking. Chai, what are you struggling with? Are you like blowing them on your first day? What are you struggling with? Like, how long are they lasting? Are you over leveraging? What are you struggling with, Chai? I can try and help you. We need to know the root cause. Yeah, they got the cameras on the podium. I just don't want to be in a trade when he's speaking. Nah. Boom. What's up, FL? What's up, brother? Ollie, what's up, Ollie? Haven't seen you in a while, brother. Well, yeah, we're right now kind of in the middle of a range, guys, and Mr. Trump, I think, is about to speak. They got the live podium on deck. Good morning, gentlemen. Yeah, Ollie, we gotta be a little more patient because I don't want to be entering a trade and then have him speak and then do some really nilly stuff. You you enter a trade and as soon as you enter, you get stopped out. You're like, they're all patiently waiting for Mr. Trump. Yeah, Meeks. Yeah, I got a top test certificate, and they're like, "Oh, you want more proof of income?" I show them my MyFundedFutures one. I show them TakeProfitTrader. I show them the Apex one, and they're all from like years ago. They're like, "Oh, wow." Oh my gosh, four certificates, Casey. You're like, yeah, I'm that guy. Yeah, here, hey, yeah, you show up to American Express. Yeah, you guys, you show up to Amex, and you're like, yeah, I like to apply for the Centurion. They're like, ha, the Centurion credit card? Are you crazy? Are you crazy, sir? They're like, oh, whoa, oh shit. They're like, oh, this guy's serious. He's not joking around. They give you the Amex Centurion card, the black card. So you're like the top level elite. They're like, oh, we'll waive your yearly fee as well, sir. Sorry about that. Chai, if you're blowing on your first day, really size down and have a daily loss limit, man. You shouldn't be blowing on your first day. Because think about it, we spend like 5 days a week, couple days trading the challenge accounts. Treat your funded like the same thing. You shouldn't be blowing on one day on your first day. I've done it numerous times, but it's just like a discipline issue. Like size down, have a daily loss limit, and go from there. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, we'll see, Chris Kelly. We're right now kind of in the middle, and I think Mr. Trump is about to speak. So that's why I think that's why we're kind of stalling right here. We're kind of stalling and hesitating because he is about to speak. Hey, Cherry Lady, what's up? You want free access to the lounge? Yeah, I got you, man. Pull up to the lounge, and the password is Casinator. When they ask you the password, just say Casinator. Look, yep. Yeah, take it slow, Light. Take it slow, man. There's no reason to force it, guys. Take it slow and steady. Because I realized that, too. I was like, I spend, like, on the TakeProfitTrader, I spend, like, a week trying to pass them. And then I'll try to clear the buffer on one day just so I can get payouts. It's like, yeah, it's nice getting your payouts on day one, but realistically, you shouldn't force it on day one. It's just nice to have that option, because if you do have a nice banger winning day, you can take advantage of that. Damn, what's he doing? He hasn't walked to the podium yet. Been waiting like 30 minutes. Time's ticking, buddy. Come on. Power hour. Time's ticking, buddy. Chai, yeah, that's the next step. I mean, you got your accounts funded, you're passing them, that's a great start. Maybe do the same exact thing. If you're passing them consistently and getting them to 3K balance on a 50K account, that's good. That's an amazing start. Maybe just try doing the same exact thing how you're doing on the challenges. Some people like drastically change it as well, like when they get a funded account. But they're like consistently passing challenges, but then they blow to funded. It's like, if you just did the same thing on the challenges that you did on your funded, you would have got a payout. You would have got like probably like $1,000 payout. Like, yeah, man. Try not to go in debt, guys. I know it's easier said than done, but that's the thing with the prop firms is you can have them on credit cards. I always have mine on credit cards, but I have money that I can use. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to go into debt and go down that rabbit hole. So just be cautious, guys. Because then you start getting the interest charges and all that stuff, and it's not fun. Nice, Ivan. Dude, on the merch, I should have certified funded trader. Yeah. We have a lot of sayings. Certified, funded, trader. Yeah, like, it's not a loss, man. It's a lesson, man. Yeah, Meeks, you gotta be cautious about that trailing drawdown. Gotta be cautious. But what I like with the firms is once it... Obviously, I hate trailing drawdown. It sucks. But once you hit it, the buffer, it stops. And then you can reap the rewards of the daily payouts. Yep. Well, it looks like we're coming back down here. Mr. Trump hasn't spoke yet. Yeah, it happens. Yeah, we should have Funded Trader on the merch. Certified Funded Trader. Yeah, guys, I'm certified. Garv. What up, man? I haven't seen you in such a long time. It's been like a week or two, man. How you been, Garv? The cat said hi. They said pss, 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 pss. What's up, Garv? How you been, man? I miss you, Garv. Nice, trader. Making gains on gains. Locked in, Garv. I love to hear that, man. How's your accounts doing, Garv? Psst, 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 psst. Is he gonna talk? Nah. Great job, Garv. Hey, you're learning, man. That's a win. And you're locking in. Let's go. Yeah, you see like the business suits coming out of the New York Stock Exchange. And you're like, well, sir, please come right in. Yeah, thank you, sir. Yeah, he's running late. Running late. Dude, the market's like, screw this waiting. I'm gonna start selling off. He's like, the market, NQ's like, I don't have time for this. NQ's like fighting Trump. I don't have time for this wait. I'm gonna sell off. Like, we're kind of forming this, yeah, this V. See this? Boom. To the downside. 300 points. Lock it in. He's live now. Oh, he's live, guys. He's live. Good morning, everyone. Mr. Trump. Mr. Trump. Looks like we're coming back down here. Bow, 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 bow. Meeks? I don't know. I have no idea. That'd be a big opportunity. Maybe. Nah, I'm a top step funded trader, guys. I can't go back there. I can't go back to the New York Stock Exchange. We gotta trade a funded account. Boom. Chai, most of my trades are 10 to 20 points stop loss. Most of the time. Most of the time it's 15. Most of the time I have a 15-point stop loss, but if it's moving quick, I'll have like a 20-25 point. It depends how fast the market's moving, but most of the time 10 to 20 points, and most of the time it's at 15. Wow. Alright, new 5 minute 30 seconds. He is talking, guys. Mr. Trump is speaking. Alright, new 5 minute 3 seconds. Probably, Michael. Probably. I have no idea what he's saying. He's like, yeah, look at me. Certified trader. Certified government official. Federal agent here, buddy. Federal agent. Kind of hesitating right here. I'll be right back. All right. Was that a dump? $1 million trader, yeah. Dusty Randall, I don't know, man. It's trading. It can go either way. But I like shorts more at the moment. Me personally. But don't listen to me. This is not financial advice. I'm just some random guy on YouTube. This is all entertainment personal. All entertainment purposes only. But at the moment, I prefer shorts. At the moment. Just rejecting right there. Meeks, I haven't tried that now. Yeah, it could be smart, the trailing system. T-Bond? Jeez. Careful, buddy. Careful. Alright, we've got a new 30-minute candle, 5-minute, and 3 seconds. Alright. Wow. I did like shorts. What was I saying? I do like shorts.
Order filled.
Try a short right here. Cherry lady. Oh. Hello there.
Stop filled.
Fuck me. Well, I did like shorts till then. Damn it. Should have called it, honestly. Damn. Well, that sucks. Yeah, I heard you can trail it on Tradovate settings. It's pretty nice. And it's gone. It's gone, guys. It's gone. Nice, Virgil. Yeah, these are Siberians, but the ragdolls are very, very similar. They look extremely similar and they act the same. Ragdolls are very cool. Very cool cats. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, there's a lot of stuff in the application settings, which is really good. Yeah, Virgil, a lot of the ragdolls are like a white gray. They're pretty sick. I've seen a lot of them on Instagram. They look a lot like Poncho. They all look like very similar too. Good job, Chaza. Good job. Yeah, lock it in. Honestly, I shouldn't have taken that last trade, honestly. Should have just locked into $700. I mean, that was $700. Come on, Case, lock in. Guess we're going long. Meek's probably 11 o'clock PST. Like 30 minutes. Thank you, Prop Trader, brother. Yeah, the $65 is really cheap. 50% off, 2 uses. Good job, Prop Trader. Thank you for using my code, man. Thank you. Yeah, I did like shorts, and they played out for a little bit, but then, yeah, I just completely yeeted up. Virgil, yeah, they're great cats. They literally act like dogs. They literally fetch. They bark. Woof, woof. Yeah, they're great cats. Yeah, they're very dog-like, which I like. I love dogs, too. And I love cats. What's also nice, Virgil, is the Siberians. What the heck? The Siberian cats are very, whatchamacallit. They're very, they're hypoallergenic. Like, I'm allergic to normal cats. Like, I can't live with a normal cat. I have, like, bad allergies. But, like, the Siberians, no allergies. That's why we bought them, mainly. And they're dog-like. What the heck is going on? Thank you, Prop Trader, yeah. Yeah, casinator, man. The best luck. $28 from passing, let's go. Yeah, Chris Kelly. Good thing we did not go long right there. We would have got stopped out. Very tricky right here. Good luck, Randall. Careful, man. He's speaking right now, so it's pretty volatile. Yeah, I shouldn't have taken that last trade, honestly. Especially with that 30-point stop. Too big. Should have sized down. But we're taking accountability. Gotta take accountability for ourselves. That's how we grow, people. That's how we grow. Cherry, cherry lady. Dude, that song's stuck in my head now. Yeah, Randall, Trump is speaking right now, man. That's why it's moving really fast. Yeah, I don't know what. I don't know if he's butthurt or what. Nice, Chaza. Aliens? So, what do you think about the allegations with Area 51 and the aliens coming in? Ooh. The cow sheet hit. Nah, we don't do the prediction markets, man. Nah. It's gambling. We don't gamble. No gamble. No. No, no, no. Good luck, Randall. Yeah, I didn't even know if Trump was speaking today, honestly. What's up, Disciplined Futures Trader? I haven't seen you in a while, man. How you doing? Meeks, I don't think any of them had the trailing drawdown rule. Yeah, I don't think they all have end of day drawdown. Meeks. I personally like the flex because there's no consistency in the funded accounts. There's just a 50% in the challenge phase, so you could technically pass in 2 days. But I like the flex accounts, and they're the cheapest. That's what I have right now. Revalue gold. Nice, man. Yeah, it's nice to take a break. Honestly, you feel back, come back stronger, better, refresh, refocus. It's really nice taking a break. Good job, man. I'm gonna take a nice break this weekend. 2-day break. Hey, 2-day break. I'm still working though. I'm still like editing videos and stuff. But I also go out and stuff. Mr. Trump, stop talking. Go away. Go away. Meeks is end of day drawdown for all the accounts, even in the funded. It's pretty nice with Lucid. And it's a one-time payment with Lucid, guys. It's a one-time payment. That's what I really like. It's not like a monthly subscription. You just need to trade once a month, like for the inactivity rule, and then you still have the accounts live. One-time payment.
Order filled.
Alright, I'll try a short right here. Reject off here a couple times. Looking to fall back into this bottom area range. I have no idea when metals is coming back. Topstep lifted a couple restrictions with it, but not fully. I don't know about them. Apex. What's up, Paint or Die? What's up, brother? Glad you're back on the streams. Yeah, Chazal, people are upset because Topstep had completely changed their live program. Like, they had it completely different, and then they retroactively changed the rule for, like, a bunch of traders that already had accounts with them. So that's why people are mainly upset. If they had that from the get-go, like the very beginning, it would be a completely different story. But they changed it on a lot of people, that's why. That's why people are upset. What I don't like is they retroactively changed it too, which is not good. Straight down, buddy. Straight down. Damn, that song's stuck in my head now. Cherry, cherry lady. I'm blasting Cherry Lady while I'm trading. Cherry, cherry lady. Gotta go down right now, NQ. Come on.
Order filled.
Trim 2 micros right there.
Order filled.
Oh, the nice $20, 20-point scalp. $200 on that trade. Damn. I shouldn't even have traded on that the previous trades. We almost got stopped out. So that was like a $400 swing, guys. That was a $400 swing in the right direction. So we almost got stopped out. Our stop was like around here. And it ran like 20 points in our favor. So that was a nice exit. Well, we have 4 winning trades today and 1 losing trade. But that one loser, I had too big of a stop loss. I had a freaking 30-point stop with 10 micros. Of course, when I do 10 micros, a 30-point stop. Whatever, we're still up $300. Yeah. Yeah, what's up, everyone? Yeah, Luis, we literally saved this account. This was the account, guys. If you missed yesterday's stream, we lost 4 of our funded accounts. This is the last survivor. He's going for all the glory. He literally had $2 left from being liquidated. Liquidated into the dust, into the abyss, like nothing happened. But we profited $300 today, so he's at $700 balance. Yeah. Thank you, Chaza. Thank you. Yeah, Painter Die, I like this price action a lot better today than yesterday, man. Yesterday was really bad, in my opinion. A lot of people got wrecked yesterday. Like, a lot of people. Yeah, Chaza, you can even check on the Discord and my Instagram story. Literally, trailing max drawdown was at $2. Literally 1 tick away from getting blown. Ran up to break even. 10 points in profit. I got out quick. I was like, no way. Massive swing with this account, guys. Massive. Guys, imagine we took this account from $2 left in drawdown all the way to payout. You know how much of a legendary comeback that would be? $2 from drawdown all the way to payout. That would be legendary status. This account would go into history books. Oh, man. I know, Pain or Die. This is a big range, and it's a good range. Got some clean movement. Yeah. Well, good thing we got out that trade, guys. Nice, quick 20-point scalp. Get out of that. Okay, I'm going to lock in this TakeProfitTrader Pro account. I'm going to lock it in. The fact that we were up $700 and we gave back $400, and it's a Friday, and this account was being close to blown, I think that's all reasons to lock in this account. We're up $300, so we lost half our gains, but I would much rather lose half the gains than blow the account. So we'll save this account. These accounts, we got 550k accounts. They're brand new. These will be my dedicated stream accounts. Yeah, they're all brand new. So we shall see. How many micros am I to trade? 10 micros. 15 micros? 15 micros per account. Well, today it's moving quick. 75. Yep. Yep. We'll take a trade on this. Yeah, prop trader. I should have definitely locked it up after $700 up. Definitely should have locked it up. But we learned our lesson. We're up 300. I'm gonna gladly take it. Yeah, we're locking it up. He is going to save. He's going to be safe for the weekend. You survived this week, number 247. Survived this week. Good job, man. Good job, soldier. Get ready for next week. Yeah, we're going to lock it in that account. But these challenges, they're brand new. We got 550k accounts. I'll have these as my dedicated stream accounts as well. I like having dedicated stream accounts, so every single trade is documented live from the challenge all the way to the funded accounts. And hopefully to payout. That's the plan. So we're back with TakeProfitTrader again. So yeah, this pro account, he's locked in. And we got 5 challenges ready to go. I need to trade 5 days anyway. So we could trade those that one pro account for 5 days, you know what I'm saying? Pain or die, especially on a Friday, man. Lock it in. You're up $1,100. Lock it in, man. Especially with Trump speaking and stuff. And it's like literally 2 hours left in the day. Lock it in. Yeah, lock it up, pain or die. Prop trader, yeah, we got 150k accounts now. Because I like the 50Ks. I love them. But I kind of wanted to trade like 10 micros, 1 mini equivalent. And I can't really do that with the 50Ks. You could. But like I said, if I go on a losing streak, I would literally blow those accounts so quick. So the 150K accounts, we have $4,500 in drawdown. So we'll give these a shot. Why not? Why not? Let's give them a shot. Yeah, but most of the time, guys, I'm trading 50K accounts. But every now and again, I'll go to 150K accounts, depending how I feel in my plan. So ideally, when I get these defunded, I would like to trade like 10 to 15 micros on these. Maybe we'll see. Well, it depends. Also depends how fast the market is moving, obviously as well. It's up to you, Pain or Die. But in my opinion, if you're definitely questioning it, I would lock it in because. Think about it, Paint or Die. If you lost at $1,100 today, I guarantee you'd be pretty pissed off and annoyed going into the weekend. You're like, damn, I should have just stopped and it been up $1,100. You know what I'm saying? That's just my opinion. You can do as you want, but I'm just saying. Ollie, right when I said get in shorts, it just dumped like 30 points. I don't know. I literally have no idea where it's going. We're kind of near that top area. Remember, this kind of formed a double top and rejected back here, back into this range. So, gonna be a little cautious. It could literally go either way. Honestly, it could break a new high, or it could come back down to this range. But I'd rather wait for confirmation, especially if Trump is still speaking. He's still talking right now. He's still yapping right now, guys. I don't know what he's saying. Yeah. That's why, guys, we're trading on challenges now. So worst case, I mean, they're challenges. I got trade one. We'll trade out once, at least one trade probably because I need 5 trading days anyway. No, I don't doubt you guys that it's gonna go short. Honestly, I don't doubt you guys. I was liking shorts earlier too. We just gotta be a little cautious. Gotta be cautious. Casinatortrades. What is up? Reinstating the tariffs. Come on, Mr. Trump. What are we doing here? Come on. $700. Yeah, we could work with $700. Yeah, we can work with that. I also like Lucid because they have a vault. I really like that promo vault because like sometimes the promos of other firms will be like a week or something or like 5 days and you forget to buy it. But they have a vault where it's stored for like a month or two, which is nice. Like that 40% off is still in the vault for March 1st. It ends March 1st, that 40% off promo. You get 5 uses. And then you get 50% off right now for 2 uses April 3rd. So you got a month and like a half almost. Yeah, Lucid's been popping off lately. Damn. Yeah, they've been popping off. Yeah, we could see a big sell-off, honestly. I'm not surprised. We're going to do 5 minute and minute 15. $2 is crazy. For next week, guys, for next week, we only have news on Thursday, unemployment claims at 5:30, and then core PPI on Friday, 5:30. That's the only news for next week, pretty much. Then just an orange folder at 7 a.m. Tuesday, PST. Yeah, not a whole lot of much next week, but with these tariffs, you never know. These tariffs.
Order filled.
Alright, we'll try a short right here. Try a short. 15. Have to do some quick math right there. If we get a small winning day, I'm happy. 75 micros. Oh my gosh, what is he doing? Yeah, I'm looking for it to fall back in this range. This is a big rejection area, kind of. Tony, I just like this time better. It gives me time, because that market open, I'm on the West Coast. I'm just waking up. And 9 o'clock, it gives me time to wake up, get some food, water, coffee. It moves a little more slower, less volatile. Still catch clean moves. I like this schedule. Because literally market open, I'm literally just waking up. K-Dreen, it's the Wamier RD75. I just got it. This sounds freaking sick. Listen. Sounds like creamy and stuff. Fire. Fire. Nice, prop trader. Yeah, this will probably be my last trade of the day, win or loss, honestly. Just because I can count a winning day or a trading day on these accounts. Because I need 5 trading days on these challenges. Yeah, these are 5 challenges, guys. Tony, yeah, I start the streams at 9 a.m. PST, and then I usually stream till like 11:30 a.m. PST, so like 2.5 hours. But I will sometimes trade other accounts before and after the stream, like other accounts. But like these are my dedicated, dedicated stream accounts. So like, Tony, every single trade will be documented live. So I can only trade these accounts on stream. Alright, I'd like to see a fall now. Straight drop to the downside. Yeah, sounds like rain. Yeah. Yeah, because I was thinking like, I'm at my computer a lot of the time, and this is my job. I might as well get a nice clean setup. The keyboard was like $120, but I think it's worth it, honestly. It looks so clean. And then I got a new mouse with it and a new mouse pad. Yeah, I was like, why not upgrade the setup a little bit? I mean, dude, $100. That's literally a 50K account. Come on, guys. How many times have we blown 50K accounts? We lost 4 funded yesterday. Come on. And we have this for this. We have this keyboard for the rest of our life. It's pretty sick. $100. $100. Yeah, prop trader. My old keyboard was like, yeah, $20. Same thing. My old one. It works fine and it still works great, but I was like, you know, I want that nice creamy sounding keyboard, because I didn't realize how big the keyboard market was. I literally watched like 5-6 hours of YouTube videos deciding which freaking keyboard I was gonna do. I was getting like a little stressed out. I had like 3 different types in my car. I was like, oh, do I get that one, this one? I was like, you know what, screw it, I'm just gonna get this. It's worth it, honestly. Yeah, my old keyboard works fine, but I was like, this looks clean. And then we got the white mouse, new white mouse to match with it. Alright, we got a new hour, 4 hour, 5 minute, 1 minute, everything minute, every second on this candle. Yeah. Yeah, hit your stop and then runs down in your favor. Come on, NQ. We're stalling a lot right here. That's what I don't like. We're just stalling too much. I don't know what we're doing right here. You guys know me. I do not like it when the price stalls at my entry. I just don't like it. Brother, I think we've been in like break even and drawdown this whole entire trade. Just hesitating too much. Yeah, Cadrian, yeah, you could build them and customize them and mod them out. It's like a very big market with the keyboards. I didn't realize how big the keyboard market was. I was like, damn, I didn't realize it was that big. Good job, prop trader. Good job, Lore. Yeah, lock it in. It's Friday, man. Gallon of habanero hot sauce? No, habanero spicy, man. That's spicy. Yeah, your toilet is not gonna be fun the next day, man. I'll tell you what. Oh man, if you ate that gallon with Taco Bell, man, it's over. It's freaking over.
Stop filled.
Stopped out, all good. Small loss, $600. That's nothing. We can make that back next week. We just got to lock in a trading day. Probably should have got out at like a smaller loss, break even, but it was just hesitating way too much. So only down 590. That's nothing crazy. Just one trade. I don't like how it's stalling too much. We traded 15 micros per account. That's not bad for a 150k account. Ghost pepper. Oh man, yeah. No, yeah, the toilet is not gonna be fun. But guys, on our pro account, this one account, we got $300 profit, so I'm pretty happy with that. We're saving this, guys. This is the one account for glory. It's going all for glory. Yeah, Chizonk is probably gonna stop me out and then run in my favor. Watch, it's probably gonna dump like 100 points. But this funded account is at $700, so let's go. And we're only down 600 on these. That's nothing for a 150k account. That's nothing. We can make that back on one trade. Yeah. Yeah. Alright guys, I think I'm going to call it here. So a banger week. Not really a banger. We lost a pro accounts yesterday. We lost 4 funded accounts yesterday. But it was we had a fun time doing it. We were going with champions crazy. We still have this one funded account alive. He's at $700 balance. So we can trade him next week. He's did a lot of fighting the last week. And we got a brand new set of 150k accounts with TakeProfitTrader challenges going. So we need 4 trading days. And we need to make a $9,000 profit. It's going to be a little hard, but we can do it. I'll document it all live for you guys. Yeah. So that's where we're at right now. Let's go. Yeah, thank you guys for watching as always. It means a lot. I appreciate it as always. Everyone have a blessed, amazing weekend. I'll see you guys Monday at 9 a.m. PST. Every day, Monday through Friday, unless it's a holiday or bank holiday, I'll be streaming 9 a.m. PST start time. Yep. Yeah, that account is surviving, man. He's going to have a long weekend. He's going to have a nice break. So, appreciate y'all as always. Have a blessed, amazing weekend, everyone. Have a great day. I'll see you guys Monday at 9 a.m. PST. And yeah, so peace out, everyone. Have a good weekend. And God bless.